stop for 1 second. Think about the first thing you did this morning. You probably didn't think about it, right? That's a habit. And today, we're going to help you talk about habits in English easily and confidently.
Welcome back to MindCast English. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Zara.
And I'm Arlo.
On this channel, we help you speak real, natural English for daily life.
If you want to improve your English step by step, please like this video and subscribe to MindCast English. It really helps us keep making lessons for you.
Today's topic is very important and very practical.
We're talking about habits, the small things we do every day, often without thinking.
Habits shape our lives. They affect our health, our work, our relationships, and even our happiness.
And they're also a great topic for English conversation because everyone has habits.
Exactly. So let's start with a simple example.
Okay.
Arlo, I noticed something about you recently.
Oh, really? What did you notice?
Every time you sit down at a cafe, you immediately take out your phone.
Do I really do that?
Yes, every single time.
Wow, I didn't even realize it.
That's the point. You don't think about it. Your body just does it.
That's a little embarrassing.
Don't worry. That's what a habit is.
So, a habit is something you do automatically.
Exactly. A habit is a behavior you repeat regularly, often without thinking.
Like brushing your teeth.
Yes, or tying your shoes.
Or checking my phone at a cafe.
Right. Some habits are good.
And some habits are not so good.
But the important thing is, habits can be changed.
That's good news.
It is. First, let's understand how habits work.
Okay, how do habits form?
Many experts talk about something called the habit loop.
The habit loop?
Yes, it has 3 parts: a cue, a routine, and a reward.
Can you explain that in simple English?
Of course, the cue is the trigger. It's what starts the habit.
Like sitting down at the cafe.
Exactly, that's your cue.
Then the routine is the action.
Yes, the routine is what you actually do.
Checking my phone.
Right, and then comes the reward.
The reward is what I get from it.
Yes, maybe entertainment, maybe connection, maybe avoiding boredom.
So my brain learns this pattern.
Sit down, feel bored, check phone, feel better.
That makes sense.
Our brains love rewards.
So that's why habits are hard to change.
Exactly, but understanding the loop gives us power.
Power to change the habit.
Yes, the first step is awareness.
Noticing the habit.
Correct. You can't change what you don't notice.
So I need to notice when I reach for my phone.
Yes, and then ask yourself why.
Why do I want to change this habit?
That question is very important.
For me, I think it's because I want to be more present.
Present with people?
Yes, sometimes I miss parts of conversations.
That's a strong reason.
It is.
After awareness and motivation, you need a strategy.
What kind of strategy?
One simple strategy is habit substitution.
What does that mean?
Instead of stopping a habit completely, you replace it.
Replace it with something better.
Exactly.
So instead of checking my phone, I do something else.
Yes. For example, when you sit down, take 3 deep breaths.
Just 3 breaths.
Yes, simple and easy.
That creates a pause.
Right. A pause gives you choice.
I like that idea.
Another strategy is changing your environment.
My environment?
Yes, your surroundings affect your behavior.
How can I use that?
Make bad habits harder and good habits easier.
For example?
Put your phone in your bag instead of your pocket.
So it's harder to reach.
Exactly. Out of sight, out of mind.
That's very practical.
It works surprisingly well.
What about building new habits?
The same rules apply.
Make it easy.
Yes, very easy.
Can you give an example?
Let's say you want to drink more water.
I definitely need that.
Put a water bottle on your desk.
Where I can see it.
Exactly. Seeing it is the cue.
And drinking water is the routine.
And feeling refreshed is the reward.
Simple.
Simple habits are powerful.
What about harder habits like exercise?
Start very small.
How small?
2 minutes.
2 minutes of exercise?
Yes, that's enough to build the habit.
But that won't make me fit.
The goal at first is not fitness.
It's consistency.
Exactly.
Build the habit first.
Then increase the time later.
That feels less scary.
Consistency beats intensity.
I like that sentence.
Motivation is another big topic.
My motivation comes and goes.
That's normal.
So what should I do?
Focus on systems, not goals.
Systems?
A goal is, I want to lose weight.
And a system?
I eat vegetables with every meal.
The system is the daily habit.
Yes, systems run your life.
Do you have a habit you changed, Zara?
Yes, I used to check my phone first thing in the morning.
A lot of people do that.
It made me feel stressed.
So what did you change?
I replaced it.
With what?
I make tea and sit by the window for 5 minutes.
No phone?
No phone.
How does that feel?
Calm, peaceful, focused.
That sounds nice.
It took time, but now it's automatic.
Automatic habits are the best.
Yes.
How long does it take to build a habit?
On average, about 66 days.
That's longer than people think.
Yes, be patient.
What helps during those days?
Tracking progress.
Like marking a calendar?
Yes, and accountability.
Having someone check on you.
Exactly.
What if I miss a day?
Missing one day is okay.
And 2 days?
Try not to miss twice in a row.
That's a good rule.
Be kind to yourself.
Guilt doesn't help.
Progress matters more than perfection.
Let's talk about morning habits.
Morning habits set the tone for the day.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, drink water, and make my bed.
Making the bed?
It's a small win.
I usually skip that.
Try it for 1 week.
Okay.
Evening habits are important too.
For sleep?
Yes, create a calm routine.
Less phone time.
Exactly.
This is really helpful.
Let's ask our listeners a question.
Yes.
What is one habit you want to build?
Or one habit you want to break.
Write your answer in the comments.
Use simple English.
Even one sentence is great practice.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
This is MindCast English.
We believe in you.
Small habits can change your life.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.